Hello and welcome to the 10th tutorial in the JavaScript Basics tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to look at custom objects. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 2. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this actual tutorial. So what are objects? We covered them in the previous tutorial, but objects are essentially just data with added properties and methods. So we're going to create our own object that has its own properties. So if you just go ahead and open up a text editor and open up the files from tutorial 2. Once it's open, you want to go to the JavaScript file. That's all we'll be dealing with. And we can do var, because it's going to be a variable, that's all it is. And then you put the variable name. I'm just going to put superhero. And then you do equals, curly brace, semicolon. Then inside, first of all, you put the name of your property. So I'm just going to put name, colon. Then you put the actual value that you want to be assigned to it. So I'm just going to put Batman. Then I'm going to put location, colon, Gotham City. Then finally I'm going to put awesomeness, if I can spell it correctly, colon, and then we're just going to put a number. It doesn't have to always be a string, so this will range 1 to 10, so we're going to put 1,000 because Batman is that awesome. And then to access it, it's really easy. All you need to do is the name of your object dot then the actual value you want to access. So I'm just going to put name, save there, and we open up the web page in a web browser. We have Batman, and maybe we want to print out how awesome it is. So if we just do awesomeness, go to our web browser, refresh, and now it prints out 1,000. We'll finally just do it for Gotham City as well, or the location of this should say. Refresh, and we got Gotham City as well. There's also another way that you can declare a object. You can do var new object, and then you can do superhero dot name equals to, we're going to make it equal to something different now. It's going to do Superman, so you can see an actual change. Then if we just put name, because we've given it a name property, we refresh, we've got the value Superman there. So that's it for objects. Chances are you will use objects a lot when you're doing programming in JavaScript. They are really powerful. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at object constructors. They go hand in hand with objects. Essentially, this is a constructor right here, but we're going to look at creating our own as well. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. And as usual, all the required links will be in the source code. And thanks for watching.